Welcome to this amazing course with an amazingly long title. So what is it all about? Well, it's about neuroplasticity, that is the incredible ability of the brain to shape itself continuously, and how you can use everything that science knows to literally rewire your brain and make it do incredible things. Now, one idea I want to get out of the way is that this course is not just about memory. I made the most in-depth course about neuroplasticity, and it covers all the details about how to use neuroplasticity to change your personality, how to use neuroplasticity to get rid of bad habits and make good habits, and how to use neuroplasticity to reach your goals, among many other things. Then I added a special section on how to use this knowledge to achieve a phenomenal memory, because I'm very passionate about memory and I feel like a strong memory will be really an amazing asset for you in your life. So let's jump into the content of this course. First thing, we'll have a section about what is neuroplasticity and what neuroplasticity is not. The reason why I felt the need to really focus on this chapter is because there is a lot of blue science marketing hypes out there, and they say so much nonsense about neuroplasticity. It was really a duty to focus on what it is, to truly explain to you what neuroplasticity is and what it is not. And we will answer this question in two parts. The first part will be the neuro part of neuroplasticity. Neuro means brain, so we'll know how the brain works, both on a gross level, looking at the parts of the brain and how each one works, what each one does, and how to rewire each one for a better functioning brain, and so that no part of your brain dies while you are still alive. And we will also look at the brain under a microscope, that is the neurons, what they are made of, how they are made, and how we can use this knowledge about the neurons to rewire the brain and achieve anything we want. Then we will look into the plasticity part. What is plasticity? What makes the brain plastic? And how we can use this amazing plasticity to use the full potential of our brain. Then we will look at the specific activities and exercises that we can follow to rewire our brain and our lives. Then we will see how neuroplasticity can help us rewire our personalities and reach whatever goals we set for ourselves. Then we have our special session about how neuroplasticity can give us a phenomenal out of this world memory. And then we have a section on when neuroplasticity can go wrong and when it can destroy us and how to prevent that. The knowledge you are about to acquire is going to change your life and really give you an edge over the word. But before we start, I want to insist on 2 points. First one is there will be a lot of exercises with each section. You must do them because you haven't acquired the knowledge until you put it into practice. And the exercises are here to make this knowledge second nature to you. And the second thing is be sure to watch all the videos because there will be surprises all along. So let's get started.